How to potty train a pug puppy. Make a potty schedule, taking her outside at least every 3 hours, and stick to it. Consistency is very important. Take her outside until you see her go and then bring her back in. Watch her constantly in the house, and when you see the signs she's getting ready to go, sniffing around, circling, etc., take her out immediately. If you can't watch her constantly, consider crating her for short periods until you can watch her. You'll also need to clean up her usual pee spots in the house with a good cleaner that will take the smell out so she's not drawn back to those places.
Hi, this is Christy, and you must have a pug or a puggle. And if you do, you know that sometimes they have bad habits like play biting or nipping or a lot of yippy barking that goes on. Or perhaps you're trying to housebreak your pug or puggle and having trouble doing that. Well, I found a free pug mini course, and this is what it teaches you. And I'm going to scroll down so you can see. It teaches you how to think and lead like a pack dog, so your dog will follow your leads. The two main reasons why your pug puppy isn't housebroken yet, and what you should do in each case. 3 dangerous mistakes that most pug owners make when they're trying to obedience train their puppies that actually make their puppies more difficult to train, and how you can avoid these same mistakes. How to stop your pug puppy from play biting and nipping. How to improve your pug's lifespan and keep him or her from getting overly heavy with a healthy and nutritious diet. Keeping ProHelp fast. How to get access to our expert trainers when you need them the most. And 1 hidden psychological trigger that all pugs have that practically allow you to analyze and control your pug's every action. Also, you'll get in this free training course a surprisingly easy way to teach your pug cool new tricks. And my daughter-in-law has a puggle, and that dog is so very smart, and she has figured out how to teach her puggle how to do some tricks like high five and roll over, and you can too. So just go, if you're having any trouble at all you have to do is go to the link below this